Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to use Claude Code completely for free with the Qwen Code model. We will also use Claude Code with Google Gemini. For Claude with Qwen, we will go through the step-by-step installation process, starting from the very first step, Node.js installation. Then we will set up and authenticate the Qwen CLI. After that, we'll move on to installing Anthropic Claude Code and the Claude Code Router. Then we will configure the Claude Code Router and so on. Before starting the installation setup video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more AI and tech videos like this. Let's start with the very basic step, Node.js installation. If you already have Node.js installed on your computer, you can skip this part and move to the next section. If you haven't installed Node.js yet, or if your version is not 18 or above, please follow this step. Just go to the Node.js website and you will see two installation options. Install Node.js using the CLI, command line interface. Install Node.js directly on Windows using the installer. If you already have Node.js installed on your computer, you can skip this part and move to the next section. After installing Node.js by following the instructions, we will start the Qwen Code installation. Just type or copy the following command, npm install-g at qwencode/qwencode at latest. I will also share this command in the comment box. Simply copy and paste it into the terminal or PowerShell, and the installation will start. After installing Qwen Code, we will install Anthropic Claude Code and the Claude Code Router using this command. npm install-g at Anthropic AI/Claude Code/Music Studio/Claude Code Router. I hope everything is going fine so far. If you face any problems during the installation, please let me know in the comments section. Now, after installing Claude Code and Qwen Code, locate the .qwen folder on your computer. Before that, copy the remaining commands used to configure the router, create directories, and generate the config.json file. Run those commands, then type Qwen to open Qwen. A Qwen window will appear for authentication. You will see Get Started and two options, Qwen OAuth, OpenAI. Select option 1, Qwen OAuth. Another window will open asking you to log in. Just log in using Google and close the window. You should now see that authentication was successful using Qwen OAuth credentials. Now, test the model by asking any question. After that, go to the .qwen folder on your computer and open the OAuth credentials JSON file. It will open in VS Code or any code editor. You will see an access token, API key. Copy that API key. Next, open the .Claude Code Router folder and open the config.json file. Paste the API key into the API key section. This will enable the Qwen Code model in Claude Code. After completing all these steps, go back to your terminal or PowerShell and run this command, ccr restart. This will run the router in the background. Then run this command, ccr code. This will open Claude Code Router with Qwen Code completely for free. If you face any issues during installation, please leave a message in the comments section. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel to see more AI and tech videos like this. Thank you.